Welcome back, everyone. If you're using Linux and find yourself constantly reaching for your mouse just to select something from your clipboard history, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to map a quick keyboard shortcut to your clipboard manager so you can navigate, select, and paste your history completely hands-free. This simple tweak is going to massively accelerate your workflow. Let's dive in. Now, if you open up your standard Clipman settings, you'll notice there isn't a direct option here to configure a global keyboard shortcut. No worries. We can easily set this up through the system settings. Head over to your Applications menu, type Keyboard, and select the first option to open your system's keyboard preferences. Once the keyboard window is open, click on the Application Shortcuts tab. We're going to add a new trigger. Click Add, and in the command field, type exactly XFC E4-popup-Clipman. Hit OK, and the system will now wait for you to press your desired key combination. To mimic the familiar Windows feature, I'm going to use Super plus V. That's the Windows key plus V. Feel free to use whatever combination feels natural to you. Let's close this out and give it a spin. Go ahead and copy a few different pieces of text to fill up your history. Now, hit your new shortcut, Super plus V. Look at that. The Clipman pop-up appears right at your cursor. You can use your mouse, or better yet, use your keyboard arrow keys to highlight your text and hit Enter. Then, simply press Ctrl plus V to paste it. It works perfectly, but we can make this even faster. Here's a quick pro tip for power users. If you want the text to paste the exact second you hit Enter on the pop-up, saving you that extra keystroke, we can enable instant pasting. Open your Clipman settings. Look for the option labeled Paste Instantly. Click the drop-down and select Ctrl plus V. Let's test it out inside the Genie text editor. I'll press Super plus V, use my arrow keys to pick a snippet, hit Enter, and boom. It pastes directly into the document instantly. No mouse, no extra steps. And you're all set. Your Linux workflow is now officially one step faster. If you found this quick tip helpful, please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel for more Linux tweaks, and let me know in the comments what shortcut combination you chose. See you in the next video.